It is Wagon Wednesday. I just filled up, $25. Gas is high right now, $5 a damn gallon. Out here in California, IA, of course. So right now, what I'm about to do is go to the shop and get this thing fired up. Oh Lord! I'm sure I'm recording this out of sequence. So basically, I got the car back assembled. I got the car back assembled, so I'm about to head to the shop real quick, get this thing fired up. It's been an extremely long day, but we got a lot of work done. I just said for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work the regular shop hours. Work the regular shop hours, like 8 to 4. 8 to 4, 9 to 5, depends on what I feel like. Everything after 5 o'clock, my time. It's my time to shine. So let's head to the shop, man. I'm not gonna record me putting in some gas because everybody know I always spill gas, man. So I'm about to go toss some gas in this thing and get the swagger wagon fired up. Peace. All right, so man, you know what? On second thought, I am about to record me putting gas in here because now I feel like I got something to prove, man. I feel like I got something to prove. Tomorrow is Wagon Wednesday. I am recording this on a Tuesday, right? Whew, so I got some work to do. Yeah, so everything that you're seeing right now is recent, and oh man, this phone don't stop going off. But anywho's, it's time to get busy, man. I ain't about to spill nothing this time. Ain't about to spill no gas. Oh my good Lord, this freaking camera. There it is. Oh! I'm gonna speed it up though. I'm not recording you for the whole 25 gallons up in this thing. Shucks. This might not that ain't gonna work. How to go get a better funnel? Yeah, sir. Straight to business. Look at that, no drips. $5 a gallon. But anyways, man, so basically you guys, I'm gonna fire this thing up and actually see, hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna fire this thing up and see if I can get some type of, see if I can actually drive it. Yeah, I'm leaking. But I actually want to see if I'm able to, y'all win. I want to see if I'm able to drive this thing, so. And right now it has open exhaust. So I'm going to have to, right now it has open exhaust, so with it having open exhaust, I'm just gonna fire up, make sure it's running, and then after I do so, hook the exhaust up, and then I am going to try and take it for, you know, a small little drive. I mean, not even small little drive, just pull it forward and pull it back. I don't even have no throttle cable hooked up in this damn thing. Maybe I'll do that tonight. There we go. Drink, drink, drink. And I am going to be tuning this thing by myself, but eventually, I mean, I'm going to take it to the dyno to see what kind of numbers she do. Made it this far in the video. Do your boy a solid, man. Like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get you a wagon, baby! Because I already got mine. That should actually be enough to fire this damn thing up. I don't have a mass airflow in this freaking thing though. Fire in the hole. Alright, so I know what I gotta do. I gotta plug this damn mass airflow up and make sure that these damn coil packs is in the right firing order as well. Give me 1 second. I actually think we're good now. I had to bleed the freaking rail. Try this again. But I did not check the firing order on the coil packs either, so see what's up though. Yeah, it's not in the right firing order, it can't be. So, that's the second attempt. I don't want to do this again, so let me switch these coil packs around real quick, the wiring on it. Nah, so remember I had to pull the motor out.
Yeah.
So when we pulling the motor out, remember the first time we fired up, it was quiet. So now what I'm saying is open the exhaust, so when I hook it back up,
it's gonna start winding back down.
It's gonna sound like a Prius, so I gotta take it back and have them redo the
motor. You gotta tell them niggas put the Super 44s on this bitch and stuff, man.
Not those, gonna be MagnaFlows.
MagnaFlows? That's one back on this shit?
Yeah. But that didn't sound good. The talking about the boat tight? The talking about the boat tight?
On here?
You didn't hear that noise? No, I'm dead. You didn't hear that? I'm being serious.
That shit sound good.
You're gonna have to hook her exhaust up so you can hear what you're trying.
I'm about to look at that right now.
Here it comes, man.
No, I'm about to disconnect this shit and hook this exhaust up real quick. I mean, unless you want me to start it, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, cuz what? Okay. No, man, get off my Prius, bro. Damn.
That's how it's supposed to sound.
Man, y'all see, he over here making jokes. And, you know, okay, all right. So basically, what it was. Basically, what it was, man. These coils right here. These ones are trash. I been knew they were trash. If you look at them, you can see they're all corroded and busted and messed up. So I stole some from my grandpappy and slid them things right on. So now, you know what I'm saying, they got that rumpa-pum-pum going. I've been waiting for a minute, man. That alternator is like $300. I went all this way on the bill. There's no way I can cop out on that. So I have to get a new alternator. And what? Darkness, motherfucker.
Try to save electricity.
Oh, okay, crap. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna edit that part out. Anywho's, well, fuck that. Guru said, "Let there be light," and bitch, what's happening? All right, so basically it's right back to the way it was. Hopefully I don't run into any other further issues on this damn thing. I wanted to put it's actually down there. I wanted to put the computer in the car, but it is what it is. It's running, it's driving. It ain't driving yet. Shut your ass up, because he was almost right there. He about to say something smart. It is running. I can put it in gear and all that. So pretty much, other than that, put the throttle cable on. Throttle cable, figure out something for this big ass radiator with these and I got the fans and all that. I gotta find a way how to mount it to where this damn thing won't fall out. AC, condenser, harmonic balancer, just a couple odds and ends. So other than that, man, we good to go. Suspension wise, I'm taking this thing to All American, but I do have to switch out the rear shocks, the rear, what is damn thing called? I have to switch out the rear coils because Alden doesn't make it that way, so it's all to the good. I can pretty much start cleaning the front of the damn car out, clean everything out, the front out, clean the back out. There is somebody must have been this motherfucker laying down sleep. That was Granddad. I also have, check this out. Oops. I also have this this Camaro. Oh Lord. I have this nice Camaro analog cluster. I'm trying to figure out what color I want to put in the background, what color LEDs I want to put. I don't know if I want to put, I'm more so leaning towards blue. It's like a universal color. The original color right now in this thing is green. I don't know what happened. I'll fix it real quick. You got me. Ain't nobody messing no damn Frenchie. I don't want no more.
Hey, don't put the L on the ground.
It ain't on the ground.
I'll tell you if you record.
Is that bad luck? Oh, okay. All right, cool. Make sure I put it in your lap next time. Thanks for the warning. Man, you still ain't bought me no damn bill, but it's cool. He said if I buy you a bill, I can't get it. So that's the original. That is the original. Damn. Come on, focus. It has 225,719 miles. The LT one was on the road. The original color, like I said, is green, so don't have no headlights. But this cluster will be going in and getting swapped out shortly. When? I don't know. There's so much stuff I gotta do in this damn. It's almost road ready, but the damn window don't work, so I gotta buy a new window, new driver window, new regulator. I got all the kid stuff back there. I was actually gonna take this basketball home, give it to Twin and them, but that's pretty much it, you guys. That is pretty much it. Take off the Capri sign, take off that badging. And you know, I ain't from no car club or nothing like that, so take off all these things, take off all this stuff, and other than that, man, I appreciate y'all. Wagon Wednesday, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time, and get your paper, because you know I'm going to get mine. Enjoy this instrumental by my big cousin, SSP. So this is going to be the actual, real, official first start. Yeah, this is going to be the real first test start. We ain't started, fired up.